Hello friends, welcome to today's video. If you don't comment arson. Dun, 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 dun. I gotta drink water. Stop running on the refrigerator. Yikes! This is so weird. Twice. Wait, you know your lips? How do you eat? Shit. Whoa! Oh my god, I almost said something to your guy's face that he won't not like to hear. I might just give up. Just falls. I'm honestly doing it. Bye. I give up. I give up. I fucking give up. Fashion problem. What the hell? There's plants. My game is so laggy. Look at this. Testing on. Testing on like this. Okay, this is kind of normal. Not laggy. Testing like this. What the fuck? Get somebody. There's too much shit going on here. I'm the biggest nut. Sorry. Not even a nut. I'm a walnut. Walnuts taste horrible. Your heart's open and they taste like nuts. Delicious. I like to eat your nuts. I just heard the sound of bullets fun, and also the thing about saying I would like to eat your nuts. I'm just kidding. Normal nuts are really good. They're so good. Never ate them, but at least they're made good. The nuts, they're really good. Almond nuts. People use almond nuts to make milk, but I think as boring as really good. Okay, let me name you some foods. I have a to-do list about like S to E, alright? Okay, let's go. We got baby carrots, they're really good. Probably a C out of 10. Probably a C, I mean, because no, A. They're so good, they're so crunchy. But normal carrots, A tier. They're like the same thing as baby carrots, but a little bit more longer. Whoa. Pause. They're difficult to eat. But Buddy's like Bruce salad sprouts. You know those type of salads that looks like a little ball? Yeah, they're kind of bad, but when you fry them, they will make you like delicious. Okay, what? I did not know about this part. It's a tornado. This is sexy. The food is flying. Food is flying. It just flipped. Why are my slimes sneezing? What is this green stuff? It's literally feeling like stuff. this? Don't suck me up. Okay, good, it's not fun. How does a creator manage to make such a tornado? Get out of here! Get out of here! He said, get out of here! Not disappearing. He's on top of the science lab. Get the tornado! I'm flying! Ah! Okay, I'm I hate this stupid dead month. So many bugs are pinching me. There's even blood in my hand. No, I'm sorry that some stupid bugs on these months are just biting me. There's like bitten bites on my freaking face. I was allergic to those things. I think these green fixes, it makes the slime smooth. I don't know how the slimes could How did this thing got here? This is moving! Okay, now it disappeared. That's a lot of money. Did you ever heard about the mirror that goes like this? That someone says sugar and then later. Don't want to hear the next part, but someone just get clipped in Fortnite. Let me say in Fortnite terms, someone got and the person got clipped like a lot of times, like 500 times. Started doing emotes on him. Yeah. But have you heard about the sugar? That someone says sugar, I don't know. There's someone says that somebody said sugar. And okay, let me say this Fortnite terms because it might sound. The person the person that's there said this somebody said sugar. Start to look at the person that said sugar over and over, and the person that said that is getting clipped starts doing emotes. Yeah, this is not turning out so good. Just saying Fortnite now. Slime toy shop. Your whole song to be. Imagine using this roast at someone that is huge and really fat. Your wrong song to be. Imagine saying this. What are you gonna do? Sit on me? Have you ever heard about something like this? Okay, then I'll say that's where I just cut it. Yeah. We're up. Yeah, it's weird. Have you ever heard it in solid like this? What are you doing, guys? Yeah, order up. It was horrible. Thank God the tornadoes are gone. Oh my God, it's grass. These are like cities. The cities are now turning on because it's now dark. And the cities are now turning off because it's now dark. And look at that. Opposite. And then we want you to look at that. Opposite again. It's like cities when it's like nighttime and daytime. It's nighttime. It's daytime. Bruh. What's that? Oh, a crystal! Our furious and nickel. Hey, has brought to the team. And is finding to find the solution again. By going on an amazing trip, by going through the chains. Has found the motif as walking. Please, YouTube, don't copyright me. Walking backwards. Walking on backwards. A blue teleporter? Why did I get a blue teleporter for nothing? I just got another lucky ornament. 2 late queens! 2 late ants. We're literally getting 2 late ants. That's so cool, man. Only walking backwards. A brutal port also. Okay, that's too hard. Gotta go over here. Got him. That's the reference time. Now we have twinkle slimes. I think we need to do the same thing with the block slimes. But I don't have twinkle slimes. What are you telling me? What is this? Food. What is this name? Food. What is it? Food. What the f is it? What is it? I think I have to do the same thing with the ah, stop! Stupid! I was not supposed to do that. Okay, get prepared, everybody. Go, 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 go. Don't die, don't die, oh, don't die. Okay, this is first one. Okay, I think I need to do that again. Oh. One more. Are you gonna believe me? These two bottles of jar hold the same exact bottle of water. Three atoms wide. I did not know water was 3 atoms wide. Thank you. Does it do damage? Does the fire slime do damage? Yes, it does. It's like a rock slime. I'm hearing a sound again. What is that sound? Okay, that's the last one, so it's pretty much probably activated, right? No, before I do that, I want to figure out what's that sound. It's getting closer. It's coming from here. Nope, not under. Probably up there. What's this? Gold and ginger. A few ranchers will never read this. Favored by gold slime, cannot be placed as a garden. It must be weird then. This is so weird. This is so weird. I found a gilded ginger. Gilded ginger. So cool. Okay, now time to plant these plants. There's some water. Oh, a dervish larva. Let's make this place a happy place forever! Because it won't be happiness! Yeah! This place should be happy forever! There could be multiple late queen ants, so let's do this. I saw something. Okay, now we're getting a little bit more pickle pears. We didn't have that many pickle pears, so we need a little bit more. Go away, tornado. Why does it leave that little water droplet? The golden stage. Keep all the gold stuffs. Okay, I think they can only be next to a incinerator because there's definitely the slime of course, so let's put them. Fire slime! Fire slime! Yay! They're definitely like puddle slime, so they cannot look closer. How did I not get the lucky slime yet? I need it. My master. We finally got the lucky slime, dude. Finally. Lucky slime. 2 more slimes left.